In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your HP laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, but you can do this whether your laptop's on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Doesn't really matter. So what you want to go ahead and do is once you're on your desktop, is go to the bottom where it says search. There's technically two methods to do this, and I'll show you both of them. So if I typed in reset, it wouldn't come up. So what you got to do is type in factory. And then once you type in factory, you're going to see reset this PC, and it's going to be in the system settings. So if you want to do this, you could also just go over to settings, then go to system, and then go to recovery, and then it's going to be here as well. Then you're going to see recovery options. It's going to say reset this PC. You can choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows after that. So what you want to do is press reset this PC. Now you have a choice. If you're someone who's keeping your PC, but maybe you just want to factory reset it so that your PC, runs fast or anything like that, maybe it's clogged up with a lot of unnecessary files, you can choose the first option, which is keep my files, which removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Or if you're someone who's like selling your PC or you want a complete fresh start, remove everything, which removes your personal files, apps, and settings as well. So just, select whichever one you want. We'll just do remove all files. And then it's going to be getting things ready. Just choose how you want to reinstall Windows. So you could do a local reinstall, or you can download it and reinstall Windows. It's going to show everything that it's going to be removing and everything. And then all you got to do is press next, go through the process, and then your laptop is probably going to restart a few times, and then that's it. You're going to be good to go. It's going to be as good as new. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.